how I made my first $10 online. Very simple. I went to this website, user testing. I went to the get paid to test here. And then you fill out the documents. It gives you like a test of what you need to do. Like basically you're just, it takes you to different websites and you're testing the websites. You're just talking your thoughts, sort of saying, what's going on for you as you maneuver through as you go through the different pages on the website. And it just wants people's opinions. Basically, it's just different companies who use user testing, to get opinions on how user friendly their websites are and so forth. And you get usually $10 US paid into your PayPal account. So I've done it quite a few times over the few years, but for me it wasn't so much about making a lot of money with it. It's just a very, very simple way for me to say, right, I've made $10 online, and it's given me the incentive then to now find other ways. I mean, to make money online. So it's just a very simple way. If you've never ever made any money online, this is just a very simple way to start. There's lots of other user testing ones out there. I just haven't tried them all. This is the only one I've really had much success with, but you're welcome to search others, of course. But yeah, just if you're really looking to get going in terms of doing something online or starting an online business, this is one thing that I think can give you confidence just to get the ball rolling. Well, that's what it's done for me. I've still got a lot to learn about other things and other options, and perhaps, but right now this was my entry point, and it just gave me that confidence to say, hey, this is possible. And I think the first one, they give you like a little trial test where they just give you a few dollars for it, but still, from memory, like a few dollars just to do like a little test one. And but even that was like, okay, this can be done. So that's it for now. Just wanted to coming to you soon with some more ideas. Bye for now.